Good morning, YouTube. How's it going today? Today's video is another 3D print, one I thought might be popular due to recent events. Printed it last night between getting back from and streaming, and I had to speed the print up and shrink it down to 50-ish% so it would get done in time. Thankfully, the speed up and the shrinking didn't really seem to affect the quality, and today the print looks gorgeous. Speaking of sped up, today's time lapse is going to be faster than normal. I usually do it at about, I make it about 5 to 10 minutes long. This one's going to be like a minute or 30 seconds long. Let me know if you guys prefer this or the slower ones. And then lastly, if you aren't already, make sure you like the video and subscribe to help YouTube algorithm boost this video and my content. And I'm going to do more 3D prints in the future that you're going to enjoy. So with that said, let's get into this time lapse of the US Capitol. Enjoy. So overall, I'm very happy with how this print came out. I'm going to try and showcase the detail right now. It has a very good quality all around, even at the 50% scale and the 110% speed that I printed at. You can see every single window. There's no failures anywhere. You've got the roof, everything fine. The one thing that came out a little funny, and I think this is due to the scale, is at the very tip top here, the pole kind of melted a little bit because it was trying to put it down so quickly. If that had slowed down a little bit, it would have been better. But besides that, it was really good quality. Like it looks wonderful. I can't wait to just put this in my office, let it chill there. Be a little decoration, a reminder that I 3D print. This print took 2 hours and 47 minutes, and it only used 23 grams of filament, which is like roughly 2% of a roll. So if you really wanted to, you could make 50 of these off of one roll. Sorry, the color is black. I don't have any white filament at the moment. I just have yellow and black. I hope you guys enjoyed today. Make sure to smash that like button and comment below what you want to see next. Subscribe for more 3D printing videos and League of Legends if you're into that. Until next time, see you guys.
Hello there.